Okay, real quick, I'm sure a lot of you guys know about this, but if you don't, here's the 1/0 wires on my new CB amplifier. Pretty darn big. I couldn't find any lugs to go on the end of them like at AutoZone or Lowe's. They weren't that big. So I made these real quick, real simple to do. Just get yourself a piece of pipe, copper pipe, whatever size will fit right over the strands of wire, and just cut it. I just used my, you can use a hacksaw. I just used my little pipe cutter here. Just cut off the piece you want. And then you can take it and you just put it in the vise. You smash it down, it'll make it like that. And I just put it in the grinder real quick. I still have to clean these up. These are rough. But you grind it down round, put a hole in it, and I put a socket in the end of it when I was crushing it down so that it wouldn't deform like that. Keep it round. And then when you're done, you can make yourself a whole crap load of those, and instead of paying like $3 a piece or $4 a piece, whatever they charge for this 1/0 size, you get that much for like, I think it was like $7. All right. Hope it helps someone.